Hey, today I want to show you the Arca-Swiss system for mounting the camera on tripods or other devices quickly. I didn't want to use the Manfrotto system because I didn't want to be locked in with one manufacturer. Here I have the camera on a tripod. I can open the screw, slide it out very quickly. Then here I have my gimbal. Also have an Arca-Swiss system here. I can lock it and I'm ready to go. Here I have an L bracket. Can slide the camera in, lock the screw. I'm ready to go. They also have a big design capture clip. Here on my backpack I can slide the camera in and I have my hands free. And I can take the camera out and snap a picture. So this is the tripod. It's a mini tripod from Kuhlmann, the Magnesit Copter. Actually this ball head is part of a set with a big serial travel tripod. I have to press this button so I can slide in the blade. Then I can fasten the screw. This button is like a safety mechanism because when I just open this knob here, I can slide out the blade until here, but then it stops, and when I press the button I can slide out the blade fully. So this is my gimbal, and here I have a quick release blade from Manx. This is a more advanced version because I have here a lever, so I can open the clamp even more quickly. I can put the blade with the camera here, then I just close it and it's locked. This knob here, this is for fastening the blade. The L bracket is very good when I want to film more steady, and it's also easier to hold the camera, or when I want to mount like flashes and the hot show on the camera is already occupied. This quick release blade is very simple but very nice because it has here a bubble lever. So last but not least I have here the capture clip from Big Design. Here on my Love Pro backpack I have 6 cm space, so this is a little bit tight for the capture clip. First I loosen the 2 screws. I can open it like this and then I slide it on. It has like rubber so it doesn't slip on the backpack. So this is the capture clip mounted. I can just slide the camera in and it's stuck. For women this is maybe not so good because it can stick into the breast, but for men it's okay. If I want to release it I have to press the button and I can slide it out again. So I'm really happy now with my Arca-Swiss compatible system. I can quickly change my camera from one device to another. Before I had, for example, this Gorilla Pod from Joby, and it has a different system. So I always needed to screw on this part to my camera, which was very annoying. So I hope my tutorial was helpful for you, and if so, please like my video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.